G'day, here's a few pieces of Australian Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted to help highlight the colours and patterns. Boulder Opal's inherently thin seams. Sometimes you need a Dremel to polish it because it's got an undulating face. See, these part of it's quite thin. Pretty little stone. This needs to be shaped up. This material's fairly hard, so the back polish should polish up nice. Some of these are only small, of course. That's an undulating face. Here's a nice blue piece. Cut it down and make a nice little cabochon. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.